Dear followers, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very nice and easy salad with you. First, add 4 tablespoons of strained yogurt. Let's spread it with a spoon. Add a pinch of purslane. Let's mix. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Add a clove of garlic. Let's make the sauce. Add a cup of boiled chickpeas. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, ground pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, and a little salt. Add a clove of garlic. Fry for 3 minutes on low heat. Add it on the sauce and let's serve the beautiful salad to eat. It's really nice. Make sure to try. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.